What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to build a Hot Wheels collection that is worth a lot of money, whether it's short-term or long-term. So first you need to understand the purpose of why you're collecting. Are you collecting to make money, or are you collecting because it's a hobby of yours and you want to collect cars that you personally enjoy, or is it both? So first, we're going to take a look at some long-term cars, which are something that you're going to collect for the future for resale or, for a collection. And we're going to start off with this Zamac Edition Ford Mustang Mach-E. And you could see it's a full silver car. And it says Zamac right there on the card. And these Zamacs will always be worth something more than a normal car because they don't release a lot of Zamacs. I've been seeing very few of these, especially because when they are released, everybody wants to get them. So that'll be a great long-term car because it's actually stamped with, rarity on it. Then something like this, which is a car from maybe a TV show or a movie or a video game. This is also going to have good long-term value because 30 years from now, this could be worth a lot because Mario could have changed so much by then. Or maybe Mario doesn't exist then or something like that. So anything where you have like a really popular item, that'll be good for long-term use. Now we have this car right here, which is a Braille car. And this is the first time that Hot Wheels ever done anything that has to do with Braille. And they didn't just do Braille on the actual car itself, where it has it on the top, bottom, the sides. They did it on the actual packaging, so the plastic has Braille on it, which is really cool. And something like this is something that they don't do often, so this will be great for long term. Even though it might be trending a lot now, it's probably going to be worth more long term since they don't do it a lot. And then you have cars like these, which are exotic cars, supercars, anything that's like a real supercar that's licensed. These are always going to be worth more in the future because they're not going to make them anymore in the future in Hot Wheels and in real life. And these are like some of the world record setting cars now. So it'll definitely be great for long term. Now we have these two sets here. They're both Skyline sets, so that's already going to increase the price of them. But cars like these are something that is been trending for years. Everybody likes Skylines. So in the future, in 20 years from now, these Skylines are going to be worth so much because they're already going for huge prices on eBay. Way more than we bought them. Now here's some examples of some short-term cars, which are cars that you're going to want to buy and immediately sell. So we're going to start on the left here again, and here we have the Rajan Express Treasure Hunt, and this is from AceDiecast of 2023, this year. And the reason why you're going to want to resell this is because in 20 years from now, unless somebody is missing this car to finish off their collection, or this is a car they really want, you're really not going to sell it for anything because who wants a treasure hunt from 30 years ago? Like, you go to the store, you see, oh, look at, 1980s treasure hunt or whatever. It's not really going to be that interesting. So these are cars that are trending, and you could sell them now on eBay for profit. So these are cars you should be selling. Now moving on to sets. So these are things that you could build, something like this. You could build a set where it has one white and red car, one red and white car. You get what I mean. These are both stamped with Formula Drift, but you could sell these on eBay for a lot more because you just created a set, and if someone's favorite car is a Dodge Challenger, and you have them in different colors, it'll be the same car, it'll be worth a lot more than if you just sold it individually. Same goes for these Pagani Zonda R's here. So this Pagani Zonda R here, we have two of them. We have one in black, one in white. And they have, differences in like wheels and stuff like that. But the main main thing that's going to make you money here is you have 2 Zonda R's in different colors. And if you keep collecting different types of colors of this car, say you have 8 different colors of this one car, you could sell them all together and put it for a bid. You could probably get like at least 50 bucks out of that. And then we have this car right here. So I know I'm using Pagani's twice as an example. It's a good car to collect, but it doesn't have to be Pagani, obviously. But here I have 3 of the exact same car, and you're asking, why do I have 3 of the exact same car? Well, I could sell one now because it might be trending, and then I could keep one for long-term use because it's an exotic car, and people are going to want it in the future. And then I could just keep one for myself to unbox or to have, do whatever I want with it, to keep it in the box if I just want to leave it in a collection for my whole life. And now we're going to quickly talk about where to find certain cars. So if you're trying to find any Hot Wheels mainline, it's really going to be anywhere. I think the 3 best stores are Dollar Tree, Target, and Walmart. Especially if you can get like the inside scoop of when the trucks come. If you could ask like an employee who works there when the shipments come, and you just remember that, and you go there on that day of the week. It's always going to be different because the ships get stuck, whatever, and then the trucks get stuck, and it's always some problem, so it's never going to be consistent. But as long as like you have at least one day that they might be there, that'll be great. I find Dollar Tree really good because it's a very small store and not a lot of people are there going crazy looking for Hot Wheels, versus Target and Walmart, there's Hot Wheels hunters in them all day long. So whenever you go into a Dollar Tree, if they have Hot Wheels, they normally are like completely loaded with them. And if you could figure out when the cases are coming, then you could just get a whole bunch of treasure hunts and super treasure hunts and any of the trending cars. Walmart is really great for like premium, Hot Wheels premium, Auto World, M2, stuff like that. But you're really not going to find normal mainlines at Walmart because they get picked off so quickly. Target, I think you have a better chance at Target than Walmart for Hot Wheels mainlines, just any 99-cent car. And that's about it, guys. These 2 cars you see here, I'm going to be unboxing in a video coming up soon. If you want to see that, go check that out. And some of you returning viewers from my last videos that are doing very well, thank you guys for 150 subs. You guys have been leaving very positive comments, and I'm happy that I'm helping you in the comment section, and the videos are educational. But some of you returning viewers might have noticed that I got better lighting, because in the last video it looked like this. But I'm just upgrading. You guys are going to have better content, and hopefully we could just grow to 1,000 subs. That'd be great. And I will see you guys in the next video.